back to my channel. So in the last video we learned how to make a slip knot. So in this video we're going to learn how to make a slip knot and make our chain row. So you're going to make your slip knot like we practiced. You're going to wrap it around, take this string over, wrap it around behind, pull up this loop and tighten it with the little string. Then I put my hook in my loop to tighten it. Alright, there's our slip knot. It's on our hook. So to make a chain stitch, you're going to yarn over, hold the string with your hook, and pull it through that loop. Pull it through your slip knot. And you're going to yarn over again, hold it with your hook, pull it through the loop. So now we have 2 stitches. This is 1, this is 2. So let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's all there is to it. So right there we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. So you count each loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are 6 stitches. All you need is a hook and some yarn to start to learning how to crochet. So anything will do. I recommend starting with about a 5 or a 6 size hook because it's easier to see your stitches. And then just any yarn. If you like this kind of content, then please subscribe. And I'll be posting a video every week. So thank you for watching. Bye.